Today, we're going to talk about the lost art of polishing your shoes. In today's fast-paced world, it's really easy to forget the importance of taking care of our appearance, but shining your shoes is a little thing that you can do that can make a really big impact. Not only does it make you look better and more put together, it also prolongs the life of your shoes. So, grab your shoes and let's get started. So you're going to need a tin of shoe polish, an application brush, a polishing brush, and a shining cloth for buffing. Before you begin, make sure your shoes are clean and ready to go. You may also want to put down a piece of old cardboard or paper to protect your work surface. First thing you need to do is open the tin. If you look on the side, you've got this interesting little clip here which you can just twist 90 degrees and it will pop off the cap. Once you have the tin open, now it's time to apply your polish. Take your application brush and load it with the polish from the tin. Begin to apply the polish on the shoe, covering the entire surface using a circular motion. Make sure you don't forget to apply the polish to the heel. Once you finish coating the entire shoe with polish, you want to set it aside and grab your second shoe. Letting it sit for a while allows the polish to soak into the leather and make a better bond with it. When you're finished with your polish, make sure that you shut the tin so that you don't get polish on your clothes or other objects. Once you've got the polish applied to both shoes, take your first shoe, use the polishing brush, and begin a back and forth motion across the shoe to work the polish into the leather and remove the excess polish from the shoe. Repeat the same thing with your second shoe, and you're ready for buffing. This is the step that will bring out the shine in your shoes. Use the cloth to buff the shoes to a high shine and make sure you pay extra attention to the toe and the heel, as these areas tend to show the wear the most. And that's it. With just a little bit of time and effort, you can have a pair of shoes that look like new. And if you like this video, you're going to love what YouTube suggests for you over here.